Here it is. Camp is set up for the night, and the trout are cooking. What did we put in the trout, Julian? What did we put in the trout?
Lemon, rosemary,
All butter,
thyme, black and pepper and salt.
garlic, and the onions. Yeah, it's looking good.
Oh, lemon.
And we're just gonna go simple with a bed of tortilla chips. Good corn though. I was thinking I could microwave and dice some potatoes so they're pan ready. Now we're catching bigger fish lately. I got a really big one in the cooler. So we gotta bring the big pan. I've been the smoke zone. See you later. Quite lovely. Late October in the Uintas.